Hi, I'm attorney Jeffrey Randa, and I want to welcome you to our new series called 2-Minute Legal. This is going to be a series of very short, informal videos addressing relevant legal topics, relevant to your concerns, I hope, and of course, relevant to our practice areas. I know as someone who watches a fair amount of YouTube videos that when I come across a topic that I'm interested in, but I see that the timestamp is 8 or 9 minutes, I generally keep on scrolling. I can maybe put up with a 6 or 7 minute video here or there, but I like the 4 or less than 5 minute mark as a goal. And I realize that many of the topics I want to address can be wrapped up pretty quickly. Lawyers are generally pretty wordy, so what I'm trying to do is go against the grain, both of that and of course my own inclination, which is, as I'm told, to talk endlessly. I would very much appreciate it if you would press the like and subscribe button so you can keep up to date with the topics and new videos that we introduce. What I want to do is keep these conversational and informal. I'm talking to an iPhone, sitting here with an Amazon microphone in my study. We are not big budget as of yet, and you'll find that if you ever have to contact our firm, we are very friendly and down-to-earth people. And we try and be very friendly and down to earth because that's who we are. And I want these videos to reflect that disposition. Part of our marketing gig is to tell people to comparison shop, and anyone looking for legal services would be well advised to compare lawyers. And you can do that by reading what they've put online, watching videos, and of course picking up the phone and calling. Press that like button, press the subscribe button, and I hope to see you back soon. Thanks.